Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Discord in Windows 11. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we want to do is go to the first link in the description, which should be the Discord download page like this. Now, once we're on this page, we want to click the blue button here, which says Download for Windows. So click on that, and you can see down here that the Discord setup is installing. Now, once this is installed, we want to go ahead and open it by clicking on it, like this. Now it should say Opening Discord Setup. Now it says Downloading, Installing Updates, and is now starting. Now, I've already signed into this, but you will have to do this. But yeah, that is how you install Discord on Windows 11. Alright, I hope the video helped you guys. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends, and until next time, goodbye.